Well, happy Twisted Tuesday, boys and girls. I'm in a bit of a conundrum. Doesn't sound like we're gonna have any work this week, but next week and the week after, we got work, and I need to work. So, I think I'm gonna start polishing some stuff today. Even though it's too early for mats, but figure I'd start up there with that stainless piece on the bunk and work my way down. There, got that dented up pain in the ass done. And I put extreme emphasis on pain in the ass. And yes, that roof does hold my fat ass up there. Used old Dr. Fluffy McGillicuddy white wheel, blue Marpole, King of Blank spit shine. Figured I'd do all the high spots before I got a little too heavy in the Pocahontas, boys. I had a shit ton of people yesterday that said, "Bro, you gotta put the chromium plastic bezels on all your lights on your bucket." Nah, made that mistake once before. The top lights, the acid or soap, something gets trapped in them, streaks and burnt. Every light burnt, ruined my old trailer. Fracking ruined it. Well, we're gonna run over these stainless steel fuel tank skins, and I have them on the air tanks too. I blasted them with a little King of Bling spit shine. I'm gonna rip and tear on them with that. They got a little scratched up during the whole frame rail replacement situation, boys. You all know me and Sean are good friends, and I'm not trying to push his product, but I believe in it, and I use it a lot, and it's bad freaking ass, boys. I don't have trick lighting like King of Bling does, but shoot, doggies, I should have got a before picture. I am Tommy, I'm a bit stupid. Well, we'll do a before on this bitch and see what happens. Shoot, doggies. That's sexier than Megan Fox in a sex swing, boys. Sean, this shit's fracking awesome, but I gotta give it to you cheap prick. $60 a bottle? Go out and buy a 10,000 of these little stainless steel quarter-inch nuts and put in there, so you can shake this shit up, you cheap Canadian Canuck. So let me show you slow kids just how I'm doing this. These half fenders are stainless. I just take a little Canadian snot and I spray it like that. I don't get it. Then you put a little bit of that blue shit on your wheel. Then you just come over here and buff it off. One-handed. So I had to turn my trick lighting on so you could tell the difference for just going over it, just one time real quick, boys. Good job, dickhead. Now I gotta finish polishing both fenders out. I like tater tots. That's enough horse shit for today. I'm gonna hit her hard tomorrow, boys. I'll see you sons of bitches later.